Supposedly they built a new ramp up to Donaldson Cave, so we're going to go and check it out. A whole lot of stairs to get down. Plenty about cave fishies. I don't think so. I'm going to call for helicopter rescue.
Good luck with reception to get that helicopter.
Yeah. Could do with a little bit of repair. On video, I want to give some idea of how many stairs you actually have to go down and then back up to get down to Donaldson Cave. Luckily, the wood's not nearly as slippery as people were warning online. Okay, we found the ramp up to Donaldson Cave. Used to be you'd crawl along the creek and then get to it, and believe you could climb up a level to get to where you can see more of the cave. But they supposedly have made that easier for us this year by adding this ramp. I think there used to be a different kind of ramp to Donaldson Cave, and this is leftovers of it. But here we go. Not a bad little walkway. Apparently you just have to climb up here. And there's a dedication that looks really, really old. Can't really read it. Carl H. Benjamin? Wait, no, that's not what it says. Eichmann, maybe. Carl H. Eichmann? I can't read that. Alright. Be careful of slick rocks. It's dark in here. I'm scared. Yeah, I imagine if it rains, it might get a little water in here right now. But we see a little spot where, in Roger's video, I think fog was letting here, you said? We'll walk towards the light because there's some natural light coming in on that end of the cave. And that's where we came from. We may not walk that way much further because, man, it's all slick clay. Some asshole wrote graffiti up in here. You found saltpeter? There's actually a cave called Saltpeter Cave that's underneath the inn. Did you hear about that? They were going to use it for natural air conditioning, but unfortunately it was too much of a mold hazard because of all the humidity. Breakdown. Have a picnic table underneath the cave. Oh. We have a few other visitors too. I have to rewatch the video again, but I probably said this cave looked into another one someplace. Yeah. I mean, it was...
Right there?
No, I was back there.
Oh.
You'd have to go back to see it.
Right here. Oh, he's no high school.
Okay, I caught that on audio. Maybe. Yeah. Flashlights, they take the same battery. Vaporizer. Main destination achieved. Now we arrive at the nature center. Dude.
Stick your hand there.
Stop that. They have a little diorama of Donaldson Cave. I guess that's what the old ramp used to look like. What do we got in that cage? Snaky of some kind. Black rat snake.
One of the good guys. Holy duck, look at that collection.
Well, that's the Donaldson guy. Nice hooters. Oh, well, one hooter.
Look at this beaver.
Nice beaver?
Nice beaver.
It's a big beaver.
Yeah.
Big furry beaver. Oh, there is two hooters in here.
I was right. In the 40s. In the 40s and 60s, that was a beach.
Mm. Of course, if I'm here, I have to go by the Pioneer Village. I think most of the buildings were originally erected in the early 19th century. Then they restored them in the early 20th and have kept them going. I saw a video online of Spring Mill circa 1971-72, and it looked pretty much just like it does now. Gemini free space capsule. Alright, about to head to lunch, but mission accomplished as far as checking out Donaldson Cave.